Hi guys, welcome back to the second part of our tutorials actually. I'm going to introduce few options in this particular video, which is called the consolidate, folder structure and batch review. Then the last one is the comp nesting. So let's dive into it. So I'm going to create a new folder structure here. How we are going to create the folder structure? The folder structure is the most important thing while we are working on a fixed projects like heavy projects like car campaigns or motion graphics. So I'm sorry about the noise. The flight is passing through very near to the airport. That's why. Okay. Anyway, let's jump into it. So folder structure. So this is the folder structure tool. While you don't want to create the new folders here, just click on the button. So all the magic has been happened. So here the solid folder has been created properly, then share folder. This folder structure actually more focused on working on the project, not the console date. Okay, so the folders has been created for uh, the the pipeline based one. So here the share folder, then reference folder, pre-comps, imported projects. If you are going to import few other projects from any other uh, your hard disk, so then footages folder. So here inside the footages, you can see that videos, PSTs, image, footages footage why I created separated the videos and images folder. So here you can see the AI folder also, because these are the layer supporting format. That's why I just wanted to create the folder separately. The footages you can import the images like a PNG, TIFF, something like that. You can make it here. Then audio folder. If you have the 3D files, 3D files, and then separate comp folder here. In which you have the one pre-comp here, but I created separate comp folder for keeping the master folders, then client assets which you are having, then assets you are creating. So let's import one file here. So I'm going to illustrate open an illustrator file into the composition which we are going to work on here. Just go back and just go to the work file. So inside the work file there is one folder file is called a nest. So I'm just opening it as a composition printing layer sizes. Just open it, so automatically the layer has been created. There is one composition automatically created. It's a basic nature of After Effects, so I'm just dragging and dropping into the pre-comp. So my layer has been imported here, so you can see a lot of layers, illustrator layers are here. So just open pre-comp, so just double click. So you can see that one document is with me with a lot of layers, and about 13 layers here. One is background, second one is option 1, option 2, option 3. So I just wanted to rename all this one, like maybe structure this one like 1, 2, 3. Okay, these 3 layers are different, so I just want to rename it with a option one only. So just right button and rename will only give you access of individual layers. So what I want, just maybe I just wanted to rename all the layers. So just select the first one. Just here you can see that there is one option that's called a batch rename. While you are clicking it there one layer, sorry for the sound is coming, just hold on a second, let it fast. Okay, so here there is one option, the one window has been opened. So what is the name you want to add here? So maybe this is option 1 or fish 1. Just I'm just adding, it's a fish, fish. Just I added the fish. Just while you are clicking, or just give the extension for the 01. Okay, while I'm just clicking okay, automatically all the layer has been changed into fish 1, 01, 02, 03. See, so it's very easy. So if you want to change all the layer, you can select it. Just go to there, it's a test. See, test 1, test 2, test 3 and test 4. So if you have more than 100 layers in your composition, how you are going to rename it? See, there is something simplified. So I'm going back to the undoing it and just separating its layers. Maybe this one is fish 2 here, just fi, so it's fish 02. So it has been changed into fish 01, 02, 03, and another option just making it into fish underscore 03. All the layer has been changed into fish 3. Then let's reduce the, okay, here fish underscore 04. So all the layers has been renamed properly. So here it's very easy to rename the layers. Now what I want, I just wanted to create a new pre-comp. So I'm just creating a pre-comp with like maybe these three layers I need as a separate pre-comp. So just creating is as a pre-comp. I'm not maybe I can just keep fish underscore 01. This is a name I just created, and just separately you just pre-comp all the layers. Fish underscore 02, all the attribute. So again these two into fish underscore 0, I think 3. Okay, 03. I'm sorry, I just tried to, maybe this one I just properly rename. This one is 02. Okay, so here I have the fourth one. Here I'm just converting into fish underscore 04. So my 4 composition has been created. So what we are going to achieve it here, very simple. I have so many layers. I just wanted to properly manage it. Like maybe I just wanted to, if you go inside here, so you can see that this particular layer, okay, maybe the layer 1. So the layer 1 fish, layer 1, I just want to move this layer into somewhere else. Maybe in a different composition. What we are usually doing, we are just cutting it and copy pasting it. So what the problem is, while we are having any expression on here, the expression might be maybe any script there, the expression might be affect there for while we are copy pasting it, because the location and all the other thing has been moved into different area. But here the most easiest way to move it here is the comp nesting. So while you are selecting the comp nest, what happened, there is a window will be pop up. This window will actually read all the composition in your project. So here you can see the main composition is the nest composition, which we are already inside here. So I just wanted to double click here. So all the composition has been here. So the nested it's a list box actually. So while you are double clicking it, you can see that there is one multiple nested comps inside there. So you can see that and all our pre-comps are there. So fish 1, fish 2, fish 3. So if I double click there, it will not open because there is no pre-comp inside the fish 1. What I'm going to do is here, I would just wanted to I just selected this layer. As you have seen that this fish 1 has been selected, it is inside the fish 1 comp. So I just wanted to move this particular layer to fish 4. Just click the select the comp which you want to move, then move. What happened, the layer has been moved into the 4. See the fish 0101. So I'm again just moving back into the same location. See, just going back to there. Okay, move. So the layer has been moved. What actually really happened, all the expressions you apply also moved into the particular comp. So if you want to move something from one comp to another comp, maybe the particular layer you have is inside maybe 10 composition, nested composition. So you want to move all the way back to the comp, maybe all the way in a different composition, which is actually nested in a different folder. So if you want to move, you can simply move this one. You are not only moving the layer, you can even move the particular comp into another comp. So I just want this fish 1 into nest into fish 4. So how you can do it, you just select the particular comp which you wanted to move. You can select the comp here, then go to the nest comp and double click here. So I just wanted to move it to fish 4. Just move. So what happened, it has been moved into fish 4. So now if you go back to the nested comp, if you double click here, you can see that all the 3 composition is mainly in a proper hierarchy way it's showing there. So while you are double clicking all other composition, it's not opening, but while you are double clicking on 04, you can see that one more comp has been nested here. So what is showing here, all the composition is getting visible here. So what is extra, what we have here, I'm just having this one selecting the fish. Maybe we can just go for a particular layer. So you can see that this particular layer. So I just wanted to move this into another composition, but as a copy. I don't want to cut and paste from here. I just need the same layer in a different composition. So just select it here, just go to the nested com, just double click. As you can see that we are already in a fish one. I just want a copy here. So what it will do, it will, if you go to here, there is one option called the copy. So if you click on the copy, what happens, still the layer is here, the fish 101 is here, but we have moved the copy into here. So we have the copy here, see. So you can easily make a copy of multiple layers or a single layer in nested a different composition very easily. So there is one more option I just wanted to, maybe I just wanted to delete this because it's a copy, I don't want a duplicated file. There is one more option I just wanted to tell you, that maybe this 2000 option, one option, maybe this one. Okay, same layer for fish 0401. So what will happen on the next option which we have here is a smart copy. So what is a smart copy? What is a smart copy means, you can just go, I'm just closing this one. So first I just wanted to show you the footages. Just reveal in a source code. So you can see that the layer here, the particular layer. So now we can just go for our nested. I just wanted to select this one in the this one in the fish one. So sorry, fish one. I just wanted to make a smart copy. What is a smart copy? I just want to make a copy but need a duplicate, because if it's a composition, which is maybe just okay, just copied it, just come back. Okay, just select it here. Okay, I just want a copy. So while we are duplicating the composition and moving it inside to there, what will happen, you know that if we do something here, that will affect here. So usually what we have to do, we have to come to the pre-com and here we have to duplicate it. While we are duplicating it, the document will be duplicated, but what is inside there will be remain the same. If you have another copy, another document, maybe another pre-comp inside there. Okay, maybe I just wanted to move the fish one into fish 4. So you can see that this fish one is having, sorry, fish 4 is having nested fish 1. So while I'm duplicating this particular comp, this 4, the fourth comp will be duplicated here. Whatever I'm doing the changes, it will affect inside the pre-comp, as you know. So what is the advantage of the smart copy? So advantage of the soft copy, maybe you can even duplicate the direct comp from here. Okay, so what will happen, it is already copied, duplicated, so whatever changes you are doing inside this one will not affect the 4, but whatever you are doing inside the fish one, because still this layer is this layer, so these are the same. So whatever you are doing inside there, that will affect the different comps. So how we can manage it? So it's very easy. Okay, what the smart copy is doing, like if you selected one particular form and go to the next form and just selected, okay, I just selected here, so you can just click smart. So what will happen, the smart copy, you can see it was just a 4 comps here. Now what happened, you have a separate copy here. So if you have something inside there, all the layers, you can see that these layers are also duplicated here. So whatever you are doing the changes in the smart copy, it's actually making a new copy in the project panel itself. So it's very easy, you can actually manage the project. So we are coming to the last one, so that is our master layer. So you can see that this nest layer, so nest comp is the master comp which we are having. So consolidation is the last option which we have to cover here. So while consolidating it, so I'm just not, I didn't select any particular selection here, any comp. So if you go and click, so there will be a warning that no item has been selected, please select at least one item. So for this option to execute, you have to at least select one particular folder, so one particular composition. So that should be your master composition. So This next composition is my master composition, so I'm selecting it and just clicking the consolidations. So what happened, it has been consolidated, so all the unwanted footages, unwanted folders has been removed, it's properly arranged. So you can just go back and just select it the next and drag it to outside. You can drag it to outside. So this is your master com, all unwanted folder has been removed. So this is something which is most commonly we have to achieve in a project, because for the the consistency and the freedom of the artist. So I hope you enjoyed and you will use it as soon as possible you want. Anyway, let's see in the another video. Thank you.